Imagine your chatbot tirelessly managing tasks, collecting data, and responding instantly, all while you focus on what truly matters. Let's unlock that reality by exploring how Zapier agents and chatbots work together. First, think of Zapier as the connector, the digital bridge that allows information to flow between your chatbot platform, like Dialoglo or ManyHat, and thousands of other apps. Now, let's build a Zap. Click on Create Zap and choose your chatbot platform as the trigger app. This is what kicks off the automation. Select a trigger event while perhaps a new conversation starts or a new user message is received. Zapier will then ask you to connect your chatbot account. Follow the prompts to connect your account and allow Zapier access. Once connected, Zapier will pull in sample data from your chatbot to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, it's time to choose the action app. The app you want your chatbot to interact with. This could be anything from adding data to a Google Sheet, sending a notification in Slack, or even updating a CRM. Configure the action step. For example, if you're adding data to Google Sheets, map the data from the chatbot conversation like the user's name and message content to the appropriate columns in your spreadsheet. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working as expected. If it is, congratulations. Turn on your Zap and let the automation begin.